Hello dear student, after discussing a lot of theoretical approach, now my approach is accelerated towards numerical approach. Because equilibrium chapter is thoroughly based on numericals. And this chapter is not only weighted for your 11th class, it is highly applicable for different competitive exam like JEE, Mains and Advanced, NEET and all AIPMT and so on. Okay, even though KBPY. Okay, ultimately in this lecture, I am going to discuss that how will you decide the pH of any strong acid or strong base whose concentration given in terms of molarity. यदि किसी स्ट्रॉन्ग एसिड या स्ट्रॉन्ग बेस की मोलारिटी दी है तो उसका पीएच कैसे निकालेंगे. एंड दिस अप्रोच इज एप्लीकेबल ओनली फॉर स्ट्रॉन्ग एसिड्स एज वेल एज स्ट्रॉन्ग बेस. It is not applicable for weak acid and weak base. Why? Because weak acid and weak base can't completely dissociate into ions. Okay? Then first of all, the determination of pH of strong acids whose molarity is given. And strong acid, you know, those acids which used to break completely and quickly into ions are said to be strong acids. यदि उसकी मोलारिटी दी है तो उसका पीएच कैसे निकालेंगे. देखिए इसकी कुछ कंडीशन है. पहली कंडीशन, फर्स्ट कंडीशन, if the molarity of given strong acid, if the molarity of given strong acid is greater than 10 to power minus 7, then hydrogen ion concentration of that acid must be equal to molarity. And by applying this approach, we can decide its pH value. Okay? For example, as find the pH of 10 to power minus 6 MHCl. Okay, then during its solution, first of all, since HCl is a strong acid, HCl is considered to be a strong acid. And one thing more, and its molarity is greater than 10 to power minus 7. Therefore, its hydrogen ion concentration must be equal to its molarity, means 10 to power minus 6. Because 10 to power minus 6 is greater than 10 to power minus 7. This molarity is given 10 to power minus 6. So its hydrogen ion concentration is also 10 to power minus 6. Therefore, pH is equal to minus log hydrogen ion concentration, that is minus log 10 to power minus 6. On solving to this, minus in bracket 6 log 10. Okay, on solving, which it implies its pH is simply 6. The solution of this numerical is based on this concept. If the given molarity of given strong acid, the molarity of given strong acid is greater than 10 to power minus 7, then we have to apply this concept and find out the solution. Okay, now applying second condition. I hope ये सबके समझ में आ गया होगा. ओके, और अब इसी में सेकेंड कंडीशन क्या है. सेकेंड कंडीशन है बेटा, if the molarity of given strong acid is less than 10 to power minus 7. If the molarity of given strong acid is less than 10 to power minus 7, then its hydrogen ion concentration must be equal to molarity plus 10 to power minus 7. Why? Why? This is very remarkable point here. क्योंकि यदि मोलारिटी, क्योंकि स्ट्रॉन्ग एसिड की मोलारिटी 10 टू पावर माइनस 7 से छोटी है, तो यहां पर हम हाइड्रोजन आयन कंसंट्रेशन, वाटर के हाइड्रोजन आयन कंसंट्रेशन को इग्नोर नहीं कर सकते हैं, जिसमें वाटर का हाइड्रोजन आयन कंसंट्रेशन 10 टू पावर माइनस 7 है. इसको इग्नोर नहीं किया जा सकता. पहले क्यों इग्नोर कर दिया था? क्योंकि एसिड की मोलारिटी 10 टू पावर माइनस 7 से बड़ी थी. ओके, दिस इज, और बाय डिसाइडिंग द वैल्यू ऑफ हाइड्रोजन आयन कंसंट्रेशन वी कैन फाइंड आउट इट्स पीएच. फॉर एग्जांपल, H, this is the question. Find the pH of 10 to power minus 8 m HCl. Okay, see about its solution. Since HCl is considered to be a strong acid, they are a strong acid, and one thing more, and its molarity is less than 10 to power minus 7, because 10 to power minus 8 is less than 10 to power minus 7. Therefore its hydrogen ion concentration, मोलारिटी क्या थी इसकी? 10 to power minus 8. उसमें क्या ऐड कर देंगे? ये लिखेंगे मोलारिटी plus 10 to power minus 7. Since its molarity is 10 to power minus 8 plus 10 to power minus 7, इसको ऐड करेंगे, which is implies हाइड्रोजन आयन कंसंट्रेशन, दोनों को ऐड करने पे आ जाएगा, इसको ऐड करना है. ओके, तो 11 into 10 to power minus 8. I hope you can solve. अरे 10 to power minus 7 कॉमन ले लेंगे, तो यहाँ क्या बचेगा? 10 to power minus 1, 10 to power minus 1, और यहाँ 1 बचेगा. ठीक है, 1 बचेगा, 10 to power minus 1 होगा नहीं, 1 by 10, तो 11 by 10 हो जाएगा, जिसको सॉल्व करेंगे तो ये आ जाएगा. और आफ्टर डिसाइडिंग दिस, नाउ वी हैव टू डिसाइड इट्स पीएच. तो पीएच कैसे आ जाएगा? देयरफॉर इट्स पीएच इज इक्वल टू माइनस log hydrogen ion concentration, which is implies pH is equal to minus log, and value of hydrogen ion concentration is 11 into 10 to power minus 8 is equal to minus. अब इसको सॉल्व करेंगे log a into b का फॉर्मूला लगा के, तो इसमें लग जाएगा log 11 minus 8 log 10. ओके, माइनस log 11 की वैल्यू होती है डियर स्टूडेंट 1.0414 माइनस log 10 की 1 होती है, और इसको सॉल्व कर लेंगे, विच इंप्लाई pH इज इक्वल टू माइनस, और अंदर आ जाएगा माइनस 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 6.9586, माइनस माइनस प्लस हो जाएगा, इस pH आ जाएगा 6.9586, जिसका कि pH 7 से कम है, और 7 से pH कम है, that's why it is considered to be acid. Clear? This approach is applicable to decide the pH of those acids whose molarity is less than 10 to power minus 7. Okay, this is the approach. I hope each and everyone can guess. Clear? And by the same way, for any strong base, we can apply the same concept. We can apply the same concept to decide the pH of any strong base. Okay, in my next lecture, I will discuss about to deciding the pH of any strong base. Thank you.